total time equal to 0, and I need two more integers. One is to hold what is the previously typed character and what is the next to type character, because difference of both of them is going to be the what is the previously typed char position and what is the next to type position. Okay, let me wrap it. So someone okay, now I'm going to compute the time. Time to type first character is 0, we know that, as per the requirement. Now from 1 we are going to compute it. Okay, so I'm going to have a for loop char to type I'm going to start from the first character, because for 0 it is already 1. Char to type is less than text dot length, which means I am going character by character in the string given. Okay, char to type plus plus. Hello, char to type on it, sir. Char to type plus plus. So what is that I'm going to do is I'm going to see what is the next to type position. So next to type position equal to what is in the inverted index. I'm going to get the position in the inverted index. I'm going to see what is the position of the particular character that I want to type. Char to type and next to type are same. Char to type is what is the character that you are going to print, type next, and next to type is the index of that particular char to type. Okay, text dot caret char to type. So I'm simply taking what is the index of the character that has to be typed next, and similarly previously typed character Also I want to take the index, inverted index, text dot caret char2 type. What is the current char2 type? -1, right? char2 type -1. Total time. What is the total time? Whatever is this time so far, to that you are going to add the absolute value of these two differences. Math dot absolute of previously typed character position minus next to type position. And we are returning total time. Now I'll write the main function in order to give the input to this function. Public static, also you can say PSVM, okay, you need not type it. Public static void main string args. Now you can say, you can create a new object of this horizontal ASCII class, horizontal ASCII keyboard, horizontal ASCII keyboard equal to new horizontal ASCII keyboard, okay. And now we have to take two strings, one is the string and other one is the data, the keyboard. So string keyboard, I'm just writing the keyboard here, okay, QWERTV. I'm writing the entire keyboard in a linear fashion in one string, okay. And now I will include some characters, some symbols as well. Okay, I'm including some symbols in the keyboard. So this is the keyboard. Actually 256 characters should be there, but I'm just writing only few. And now I'm writing text data 1 equal to Ravindra Babu Ravula, and similarly I'll give one more text data 2 will be equal to, let us say, Ravi. Okay, now I am going to give both the keyword and this text data to the function SOUT system.out.println. Time taken to type the first data, time taken to type the first data, text data 1, text data 1 is colon plus horizontal ASCII keyboard dot time to type. We are going to give the both the keyboard as well as the data. We are going to give both the keyboard, keypad as well as the data, right? Keyboard as well as text data 1 for the first one. Okay, and similarly I'm going to do the same for the second one. Okay, time taken to type the second data, text data text data 2 is plus horizontal ASCII keyboard dot time to type keyboard comma text data 2. Okay, so that's it. We have typed the entire program. Now let's try to run it. If there are any mistakes, you please tell me. There are no mistakes. Time taken to type Ravindra Babu Ravula is 193 and time taken to type Ravi is 34. Okay, process finished with exit code 0. Pertha slides. Guys, there is a small announcement. A new batch for GATE Computer Science has started today only. So if you want to join the new batch, you can join. So today only a new batch has started, and I am there. Subbarao sir is there, Sanchit Jain, Venkat Rao, Vishwadeep Goti, Shweta Kumari, everyone are there. And whatever programs I am doing now will again be done in C++ by Jay Bansal at 9:30. Okay, and there is a big scholarship test happening on 23rd of this month at 11 a.m. and there are a lot of prizes to be won. Okay, so it is a 60-minute test. It is India's largest weekly competition for GATE, and you can take it live, and it is super fast and fun. Okay, and we have challenging and original GATE questions curated by best educators, and for 1 to 3 ranks you are going to get some discounts 100%, 4 to 10 it is 75%, 11 to 50 it is 50%, and 51 to 100 it is 25%. Okay, so you can follow my Telegram channel. This is the Telegram channel I have, and these are all the reasons why you should be joining Unacademy. If you want to join Unacademy, you can use my code RRCS and get 10% discount. And if you want to register in Plus, you are going to get live classes, crash courses, weekly tests, doubt clearing sessions, English and Hindi batches. And if you are registering on Iconic, you are going to get personal coach, study planner, study booster session, personalized test analysis, dedicated doubt clearing sessions, and preparatory study material. For 1 year, the fee of Plus is 27,000, and for 2 years, the fee of Plus is 39,000. And for 1 year the fee of Iconic is 45,000, and for 2 years the fee of Iconic is 66,000 rupees. Okay, this is how you can see my videos on Iconic which are recorded. Okay, so now let's see the Anagram program. So I told you that in Anagram program yesterday's class there will be a list of strings given to you, and you are supposed to find out which of them is an anagram with the given string. Okay, now we shall see the program for it. We will write the program for it. Let me start a new project. Let me call it as Anagram. Inside the project, in the source, let me create a new package. Package name is live coding, let us say. Inside the live coding, I am creating new Java class, and the name of the Java class is Anagram Solver. Now we are going to use array list, arrays and list. We have not discussed about the utilities yet. We'll discuss in the Java soon. For now, imagine, just take it for granted. Later you are going to see all whatever I am seeing here. Array list, import java.util.arrays, and then a list, import java.util.arrays, list. Now I'm going to write a small function which is used to check if a character is ASCII or not. Private boolean is ASCII alphabet. Char ch. If you send a character to this particular function, if that function is if the character is ASCII alphabet, it will return true. Okay, it will return a boolean value. It will check whether the character is in the range of ASCII characters. If it is between A and C, if it is between A and Z, small z, or capital A and capital Z. If it is between small a and small z and capital A and capital Z, I am returning true. Otherwise, private void, I am going to get the frequency. This method, I am writing a method which will get the frequency signature. So frequency signature of a string inside an array. Frequency signature of a string and I am going to get it in the integer array frequency signature. Now I am going to process the entire string to process. Okay, I am going to scan through the entire process. for int I less than to process dot length I plus plus ignore the white space. I'm going to ignore the white space. If character dot is white space, if it is white space, if the present string the current character that I am looking at, if the caret I is a white space, then I'm not doing anything, I'm simply leaving it, ignoring it, right? Otherwise if it is ASCII character, if it is ASCII alphabet, if it is ASCII alphabet, then frequency dot signature I am converting this character to lowercase, because we want to treat both the cases same, to lowercase to process dot caret I, this entire thing plus plus. Continue. Okay. Now otherwise, if it is not a white space, or if it is not a alphabet, if it is some special character, then what you are going to do is you are simply going to increase the frequency. Okay, so if you observe it, only when it is a character we want to convert it into a lowercase and we want to deal with it. If it is a special symbol like plus, minus, equal to, something like that, then we are simply registering the frequency, we don't have to do anything. To process dot caret I plus plus. Okay, Now let's write the method which is going to check if the two frequencies are matching or not. Private method, it will check if the two frequencies given are matching or not. The frequency of the given string and the frequency of the string from the string of list of strings. Is frequency signal match? Frequency signature match. Okay. Int frequency signature 1, int frequency signature 2. So we are going to just scan the entire 256 characters in the array, 256 numbers in the array, and we are going to compare whether the signatures are matching or not. Okay. For int I equal to 0, I less than 256, I plus plus, we are basically going to compare the two given frequency signatures. If frequency signature 1 I is not equal to frequency signature 2 I, if both the frequency signatures are not equal, then we are simply returning false. Return false. Otherwise, if everything matches, then we are returning true. Finally, we are going to write the method which is used to find all the anagrams. Okay. Public list. Public list. It is a list of strings. Okay. This one is finally going to return a list of strings, which are all the anagrams. Public list string. Find all anagrams. List. We are going to send a list called collection to this, which is collection of all the strings. Collection string scrambled. Assuming character set is ASCII, so assuming character set is ASCII, I'm creating two integer arrays in order to save the signatures of two strings. Int frequency signature of scrambled means the given string equal to new integer of 256. Okay, similarly the strings that we want to compare them with, for that also I have to create it. Int frequency signature of collectors, frequency signature of collection is equal to new integer of 256. And then we have list. So final list of anagrams we are going to return, right? List of anagrams, string anagrams equal to new array list. Now we are going to compute the frequency. We are going to first compute the frequency of the scrambled string. Okay, compute we are going to compute the frequency signature of given scrambled string. How are you going to compute it? We are going to use get frequency signature of scrambled frequency signature scrambled. We are going to just pass what is the string for which you want to and in which array you want to compute the frequency signature, right? Frequency signature scrambled. Now for string to check. We take each string one by one in the given list. For string to check collection, we are going to take each string one by one and we are going to get frequency for each string, frequency signature of the collection. Okay, we are using only 2. Now after getting it, then we are going to check them if they are matching or not. So check if matching. We are going to check if they are matching or not. If is frequency signature match of both the frequency signature scrambled, this is one array, if it is matching with frequency signature collection, if they are matching, then we are going to add to anagrams dot add to check. Right, and once it is added, you have to again fill it with zeros, right? So arrays I'm directly using from collection. I'm just making the frequency signature collection to zeros because frequency signature collection comma 0. So arrays dot fill is going to fill the entire array with zeros. Okay, and after that we are simply returning the anagram, right? Return anagrams. Okay, so now time is over. We have to start the Java class. Only thing that is remaining is just write the main function and you just run it. Okay, just write the main function and you run it. Okay, thank you guys. Hi, now my recorded videos are available on Unacademy platform if you take Iconic subscription. Okay, and you can access the videos only on Android app, not on iOS. Only on Android app you'll be able to see all my recorded videos, and they are very well structured and organized. So if you see this, so you can go to computer science, and in the computer science you can see what are all the subjects available. Now if you click on a subject, it is going to show you all the videos one by one, right? And you can also give your learning preferences. Okay, so learning preferences is either what is the target year and what is the C, are you going to learn for GATE ESC or something like that. Okay, so if you want to register for it, you can use the code RRCS and you are going to get 10% discount if you use the code RRCS. Okay, so if you are planning to buy any subscription, go for Iconic because recorded videos are available. Now along with that, you will also get the live videos as well, so you can refer both of them. Okay. Hi, so there is a good news now that my recorded content which you used to get on Ravindra platform will also be available on the Unacademy platform. Okay, so what I mean to say is, so there are two kinds of subscriptions you can go for. One is Plus and the other one is Iconic. Now Plus is all about live classes, crash courses, weekly tests, doubt solving, and English and Hindi batches. This is what you are going to get if you go for Plus. Now if you go for Iconic subscription, along with all the live classes by me and many other faculty, you are also going to get the recorded content of Ravindra. Okay, so whatever recorded content was there earlier of Ravindra, that will also be available for you in the Iconic subscription. So along with these recorded classes, you will also get the live classes and all these benefits. And in Iconic, you have many other benefits, like you will be given a personal coach and a study planner and a dedicated doubt clearing instructors and preparatory material, study booster sessions, and personalized test analysis. So all these benefits you are going to get in Iconic. So in Iconic you get all the live classes along with my recorded classes and a mentor and dedicated doubt answering classes. So Iconic is like you get everything. So I think no one in India is providing all these services. Okay, so take Iconic subscription in order to get my classes, recorded classes, as well as all these benefits. And if you have already taken Plus, then upgrade it to Iconic, you are going to get all my classes. Okay, now that is not the only reason why you should be joining Unacademy. Now if you look at it, the India's best faculty are on Unacademy. These people are all senior to me and they are all legends in their respective subject. For example, Venkatrao sir is a legend in TOC compiler design, and Subbareddy sir is a legend in algorithms. He is also called God of Algorithms. And Sanchit Jain sir, you must be knowing about him. He is also a YouTuber like me. And Saurav Thakur is a legend in aptitude. And Uma Maheswara sir is the most senior faculty for mathematics, right? And similarly, we have Vishwadeep Goti also, who is teaching CO. So these many people are actually conducting live classes, and you also will get my recorded classes. And whenever you feel like any topic is not good in any of this, see, all these people will be teaching multiple subjects. So if you don't like one particular topic from one faculty, you can actually look at other faculties classes also. Generally it doesn't happen, because all these people are best at what they are doing. So generally it doesn't happen that you don't like their classes. You will definitely like them. In case if you want more choices also, you can choose. That is what I'm saying. Okay, so you have live classes which you can attend from home, and you have unlimited access to all the courses. So once there is a live class, and if you didn't attend it, then that live class will be converted into recorded video, and that recorded video will also be available for you unlimited, depending on your subscription. If you take 1 year subscription, you can watch all the videos for 1 year. And top educators are on the platform, and study material will be given to you in the PDF format. And you have exhaustive course syllabus coverage, and there will be doubt clearing sessions, and the best test series in India is available here. Okay, so the test series I personally prepare and I personally monitor, and also after every test I'm going to give you video solutions as well. Okay, and there will be answer writing sessions. So these are all the benefits. Okay, so that is why you should be joining Unacademy. Now what is the fee for it? So the fee is like this. If you are using the code RRCS, you will get 10% discount on the fee. Okay, so the fee is like this. For 27,000 only, you are going to get 1 year access for Plus, and if you want to go for 2 years, the fee is 39,600. Now coming to Iconic, where my videos are available, you have to pay 45,000 rupees in order to get the Iconic subscription, and the code is RRCS. You might feel that the fee is high, and you might feel that there are other cheaper courses available outside. But just think about one thing. Earlier people used to join MadeEasy in order to attend those faculty classes, and now they are all on Unacademy platform, and along with them I am also teaching. Earlier people used to pay 31,000 rupees just to watch my class.